Hi, it's Kathy. Welcome back to my craft room. Come on in. Let's take a look at this completed journal. We recently made a junk journal in a short series that's reminiscent of an old scrapbook. And I used the Heirloom Scrapbook Junk Journal kit. So there is a lot of ephemera in here from that kit. Actually, all of the ephemera from that kit is in here. I have also added some of my Valentines from my vintage Valentine collection as well. And if you followed me for the series previous, we came up with a list of people shared their word of the year. And if you shared your word and it made my list in time, you will watch and see your word. It's in here. I use them all. Okay, so here is our little journal. I did my usual 2-hole ribbon closure, and this is a journal made from, the cover was made from 3 pieces, and then I secured it with ribbon and paper. I had added a flower, but I've since added a few more from the Edith Holden books to the front cover just to make like a little bouquet here. This little sweetheart is on the cover. Added some book corners to it, so it does feel like maybe a homemade scrapbook. It's exactly what it feels like. Okay, and then we tried this waxing technique that we learned from BB Art of layering and adhering the pieces together using an iron. And then I did it again while it was in, I heated it again while it was in the book, and the wax came through to the front of the page. And this is just a very cool beginning page to this journal. I love it. I added some authentic recipes, and that was the other thing we did. There's start. So this was my word, calm. Start was someone's word. And I gave you like a scavenger hunt to go through your house and look for things to add to your journal. So if you haven't seen the series, it was fun. It was a lot of fun. So here was the first spread we did together. So there's label under here. So a lot of the things you see, a receipt, a calling card, these were all things that were on the scavenger hunt list, and I've since added more to the journal. So there's lots of writing space in this journal, and there's a lot more space to add more to the scrapbook. This part of the printable, this is where the colors for the kit were dreamed up from. We added some old wrapping paper, some postage stamps. It's like a little notebook cover. So we added some newspaper clippings. We used a lot of neutral background papers to let these scrapbook items shine. Some more room there. I added some ledger paper as a fold out for some writing space. This is from wallpaper, so I cut this darling out from wallpaper. Blessings. Did I miss one of the words? Let's make sure I didn't miss any here. No, no, we're good. So that's like a vinyl wallpaper. There's 5 signatures in this journal. We added, we made fabric washi, we made faux tape, we made our own calling cards. So this is Edith Holden, added in Edith Holden. Just one little tuck. Now you'll notice there's just a couple of pockets and tuck spots, but I wanted to get away from the traditional junk journal elements that we put in here because I wanted it to feel more like a scrapbook. Tolerance, that's another one of our words. Sweet little puppy. Here is a postcard. Charity, there's another one of our words. So this tape is all faux vintage tape. We made that. That was one of our projects we did. Release. Here's something I did recently using newsprint. I photocopied some original pieces that were from, like this is 1835, I believe that says. Photocopied them and used newsprint, and then aged them to try to look as close to the original as possible. So this one as well is on newsprint, as is this here. Little T tag. Ascend, that's another word. There's one belly band. Now we made our own calling card, so there are a couple freebies in this kit. They're linked in the videos below of each of the videos. So there were some printables that you could just download from. So it has the front and the back, and then we sandwiched a piece of chipboard in between to make our own calling card. Present. Old recipes. We tried some watercolor inspired by the Cranky Crafter. That was my attempt at a watercolor. I need to practice that. Spirit, another word. She's from the Valentine's collections, or collection. And there is a belly band. This is from the Valentine collection as well. Peace, start, manifest. This little envelope here. More Valentines. Another envelope. Authentic. Some more of the washi that we made, fabric washi. The first time I've seen that done was Jessica from Paper Terrace. Create, grace, grateful. There's our little friend. This frame, I cut the oval out, and then the girl that's behind there, she is a calling card from the kit, but I decided to use her in this frame here. I just thought that was quite lovely. Action. So all of this ephemera is in the Heirloom Scrapbook kit. I used some tea-dyed paper, shipping paper. I used a glassine bag. Now it was a bigger bag and I cut it down shorter. And it is a gusseted bag, so a little different. I used some picture corners here. It's just some old papers I found here and there. Just some authentic pieces mixed in with the printables, which I love to do. Ascend. So that you'll see there isn't a lot of collaging or overlapping because I wanted it to feel like a scrapbook. So one thing I have new are these black staples, which I love. Absolutely love the black staples. Valentine. This lighter paper is also shipping paper. This is another one of the freebies, the telegrams. Here's some more watercoloring we did. The paper doilies were on the scavenger hunt list. Grace. My love is from the Valentine's. Grace was another one of our words. Here, breath. And here I've cut out some greenery from the Edith Walden books. Here's a cabinet card that we made. We added our own stamps to the craft. This was cardstock I used. You could use chipboard, but I used cardstock. And just a photo, printed photo, just to make our own. Some more ribbon. Some more of our watercolor attempt. There is a tuck here. Here's another one of the watercolors. Charity, more fabric washi, and Tranquility. There's one pocket at the back, and like I said, there's the double closure. So this journal is claimed. It's been spoken for, and she will be on her way to her new home very soon. But I thought some of you might like to see how I finished my scrapbook, Heirloom Scrapbook Junk Journal Fusion. So there she is. Oh, and then in my 2-hole ribbon closure, I use 2 ribbons. I use sari silk, and then I use like a, I think this is from a silk scarf or something. And I put them both in together. I think that layered look is really, really pretty. All right, well, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.